Hello, sweet Dolly. Yeah, I was just outside, wasn't I? Checking out the sun and the sky and the birds. Listening to the birds out there. And you were saying tweet, tweet earlier, weren't you? To the birdies outside. You can mimic English and other birdies. You're a very clever girl. You say, well, Nanny, I'm an Indian ringneck. That's what I do. And I go, yeah, that's right. You talk. But usually ringnecks, Dolly, aren't as talkative as you. And you'll say, well, it's just the way it is. You like to have a little chitter-chatter, don't you? Because you're on your own. Well, we will tell people our little secret. You are viciously dangerous. If you want to be. You can't. Yeah, I'm sorry, Dolly. People love you anyway. Truly, they do. Listen to those birds outside, Dolly. Oh, and cars revving up. You can hear that? Yeah. I'll listen with you. I haven't been spending as much time with you, have I, Dolly? It's nice to have Dolly time. We love our girl. We love you, hey, Dolly. Yes, peekaboo. Oh, hello. Hello, good people. You're talking. That's really nice. We haven't had a chat in a while. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Dolly.